These are the Livho Polarized Retro gorgeous sunglasses I was sent to review. I love the look and the functionality. They are polarized, which means they reduce glare. I love how dark they are. I feel like it's a bit of privacy in there. You can see my eyes, but not well. They're like really dark. I love the look. These are the black. They do come in a ton of colors though. And they are a great shade, but they don't make it so dark. Like I've had some sunglasses that make it hard to see if it's not like crazy bright. So this is a nice shade that's gonna shade your eyes, reduce glare, protect your eyes, but not make it difficult to see. And I mean, how cute are they? Ah, I love the size too. They're not an oversized look. They will stay up on your head. It has a nice comfy built-in bridge, so nothing you need to adjust. Nice spring-loaded hinges that seem really great quality. Nice length earpieces. Whether on the beach in the summer or on the slopes in the winter, these are gonna be great. They even come with a lens cleaning cloth and a little carry bag. I just love these.